Hi everyone, and welcome to my video, how to create affiliate email funnels that convert. This is a step-by-step guide, and this tool is going to do just that. It's going to create affiliate email funnels that convert for you. This is for affiliates specifically, but anyone can use this tool to increase their sales. If you're a small business owner, you run a business on the internet, you're not doing affiliate marketing, but you still have an email list, you can use this tool as well. But it is geared towards affiliate marketers. What this tool is going to do is it's going to create emails that grab attention from your readers, keep them engaged, get the click, and then ultimately get the sale. And I'm going to show you why story-driven emails convert really well. And I'm going to show you some reasons right here. I'm on my ChatGPT Plus account using one of my prompts. Do story-driven emails convert leads into sales? Yes, story-driven emails are highly effective at converting leads into sales. Storytelling in emails can build trust, engage readers, and make your message memorable, which significantly increases the likelihood that a lead will convert to a customer. Here's why story-driven emails work so well. Number one, they build emotional connection. Number two, they differentiate you from competitors. Number three, stories create curiosity and engagement. Number four, stories communicate benefits subtly. Number five, they reduce resistance to sales. People are often resistant to direct selling, but storytelling softens that resistance by giving context to the product and creating a natural flow towards the call to action. By the time the reader reaches your call to action, they're already emotionally primed to take action. You're entertaining the reader a little bit, giving them some benefit in your email while not directly selling, but you're also selling as well. So that's why story-driven emails are so great at converting leads to sales. Number six, story-driven emails, like I said, stay memorable. People remember stories much better than dry facts or generic promotions. When a lead remembers your story, they're more likely to act on it and recall your product when they need a solution. Examples of effective story-driven email types are: number one, customer success stories. Number two, a founder story. Number three, relatable problem solution stories. Number four, behind-the-scenes stories. Final thoughts. In short, story-driven emails can convert leads into sales very effectively because they create an emotional connection, hold readers' attention, and make your message memorable. Many top marketers swear by story-driven emails precisely because they see higher engagement and conversion rates. And that's what my tool is going to do over at instantsalesfunnels.com here. You're going to go over to step 2 here. I'm going to show you how to use this in a second. But all you're going to do is put in your product name and details, your affiliate link, your email goal, few sentences. In the first one, affiliate link, pretty cut and dry, and your email goal. You can put to drive conversions and sales, whatever it may be. You click submit, and it's going to create a storytelling email that's going to keep your readers engaged, drive sales and drive conversions. That's what you want as an affiliate marketer. Then you could take this email it creates, copy and paste it into your next email broadcast or your email autoresponder sequence with whoever you use. You might be using GetResponse, Aweber, or ClickFunnels, or the hundreds of other email autoresponders that are out there. I shouldn't say hundreds, but there's quite a few big name email providers out there. The ones I mentioned are some of the more popular ones. But I'm going to show you what to do. We're going to go over to ClickBank real quick here, and I'm going to create an affiliate link here. We're going to use JavaBurn as an example. And we're going to get affiliate link. We're going to put my affiliate nickname in here, which is Orban's Biz. And we're going to click continue. We're going to copy the affiliate link. We're going to go over to my free tool here. We're going to paste that in here. And we're going to do the product name and details. And we're going to say, I think I have it saved over here, what I asked exactly. Let's see here. Yeah, JavaBurn. We're going to put to educate right here. We're going to copy this one. Objective. to educate potential customers about the benefits of JavaBurn, build trust, and encourage them to make a purchase through your affiliate link. Sounds good to me. We're going to go back over to the tool. Post that in the product name and details. And the email goal is going to be, we're going to put engagement and conversions. Now we're going to click submit. And we're going to wait for the email to be generated. And here we go here. Subject, the coffee secret that changed my life. That's a pretty good subject line here. I do have a 7-day email funnel generator, so I'm going to create 7 days of these for you. And a headline generator you can get free. Just come to my site, click this link at the very top of the page here, sign up, let me know where to send it. I'm also going to send you all my done-for-you email affiliate emails I've put together. I'm starting to get quite the database of affiliate emails that are done for you in different niches. I'll also send that to you as well. So here's the email. I'm going to read it to you. And the subject is the coffee secret that changed my life. Dear friend, let me take you back to a chilly morning last winter. I was sitting at my kitchen table, staring at a cup of coffee that felt more like a bitter reminder of my struggles than a warm embrace. I had tried everything, diets, workouts, you name it, but the scale refused to budge and my energy levels were at an all-time low. Then I stumbled upon something extraordinary, JavaBurn. At first I was skeptical. A coffee supplement? Really? But desperate times call for desperate measures, right? So I decided to give it a shot. I mixed it into my morning brew, and what happened next was nothing short of miraculous. Within days, I felt a surge of energy I hadn't experienced in years. My metabolism kicked into high gear, and I started shedding those stubborn pounds. I was no longer just surviving the day, I was thriving. But here's the kicker. It wasn't just about the weight loss. JavaBurn transformed my mornings. I felt clear-headed, focused, and ready to take on the world. The blend of natural ingredients works synergistically with your morning coffee, igniting fat-burning processes while enhancing your overall well-being. Imagine waking up each day knowing you have a secret weapon in your corner, a weapon that not only helps you lose weight, but also boosts your energy and sharpens your mind. Now I'm just sharing my story for the fun of it. I want you to experience this transformation for yourself. Trust me, you deserve it. So if you're ready to break free from the chains of fatigue and frustration, click here to grab your own JavaBurn today. That's going to have your affiliate link right here. But wait, this isn't just about a product. It's about joining a community of people who have decided to take control of their lives. When you choose JavaBurn, you're not just investing in a supplement. You're investing in a brighter, healthier future. Don't let another day slip by. Click the link and let's embark on this journey together. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. To new beginnings. And you put your name here. And that's it. And all you do is come on over here. You copy the email and the subject line. Hit copy. Go on over to your email autoresponder. Send this out as a one-time broadcast or create a 7-day email sequence. Put it in there and with your affiliate link and all that stuff, and you're off to the races. But how good is that email that this creates? This is a huge time saver. Like I said, it's geared specifically for affiliate marketers. Like I've been noticing for years as I go through, I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2008, a long, long time. But I've noticed over the years that a lot of affiliate programs out there don't have done-for-you emails. That's a big... and there's, and you want to get an email out, you want to promote a certain product, and then you got to write it yourself. It just takes a lot of time and energy. Using this tool, it's built for storytelling emails. There's a prompt built into it, and you've seen how good this email was. It's going to keep your readers engaged, reading, ultimately clicking on your link and driving more sales in the process. So, and like I said, anyone can use it, but it's geared towards affiliates. So this is an awesome tool. I hope you enjoy it. And with that being said, thanks for watching this video. Come and check out this tool. Link will be directly below. Sign up for my 7-day free email funnel and headline generator. Like I said, click that link here, and you're going to get all 7 days of these. Plus, you can use this whenever you want, as many times as you want. And I'm going to give you a list of all my done-for-you emails and a bunch of other cool stuff. So if you like this video, click the like button. I'd appreciate it. If you got a question, leave me a question in the comments section below. And one more thing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate that as well for all future video updates. So come in, check this tool out. Let me know how it works, how you like it. I'd appreciate some comments in the comment section below. But with that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and have a great day. Bye-bye.